Umntwana is the same girl behlangana naye ekhulelwe nje. Ngokwazi kwami uMakhumalo wayenengane engasiyona eyababa uMseleku.
Kuthiwa siphume ey'ndabeni zabantu kodwa yibo abasinikeza le ndaba. So let's find out ukuthi what made uMacele akhuluma the way akhuluma ngakhona ngoMakhumalo. So uMusa wathi yena uMakhumalo i-presence yakhe was not to be known, therefore bokungamelanga amithe, because if ever uyamitha and everyone found out bebazobe banabantwana. And because yena welolalela abantu and respected them, he reached a point where Makhumalo couldn't pay him kids anymore, and that made him a loser. So it basically means uMusa wathi uma behlangana noMakhumalo mhlambe bekahamba noMacele or whatsoever, wathi uma behlangana noMakhumalo, they saw uMakhumalo pregnant that time, and uMacele didn't know anything about lento uMusa ayikhulumayo. And it's funny enough ukuthi why uMacele yena angabukeli TV ezwe ukuthi indoda yakhe yathini ngenxa ye-pregnancy, and not just come e-TV and say while wonke umuntu abukele ahlaza umntana abantu ukuthi she was pregnant ngomntana okungasiwa kaMseleku, while his husband had lot of secrets abangashare nabo. Even le ndaba le uyamuzwa uthini uMusa uthi beka-respecte abantu, so uMakhumalo bongamelanga azale any child. So we don't know ukuthi whether uMusa noMakhumalo decided ukuthi ukuze i-relationship yabo to work out and bam-accepte abafazi bakhe laba boyi-2, she had to delete the fetus, or we don't know. And uMakhumalo yena said ukuthi she had many ectopic pregnancies, and she has never mentioned indaba kaMusa le ayishoyo yokuthi ukuze ba-respecte i-relationship yalaba abanye, they had to make sure ukuthi uMakhumalo doesn't fall pregnant. So it was wrong for uMacele to come to a TV and talk bad ngento angayenzanga i-research ngayo enough. Bekumele ahlale phansi abuze uMusa ukuthi okay, ngenkathi uMakhumalo beka-pregnant ngenkathi sihlangana naye, umntana khona wayaphi, if ever she wanted to know. Not just saying ngakhe ngahlangana naye pregnant and loyo mntana loyo bongasi umntwana kaMusa. E-TV, guys, imagine seeing this at TV and you are uMakhumalo. No, uMacele lo akakamela, guys. It was wrong of her, and I understand her futhi because indoda yakhe is not akakhulumi lonke iqiniso. As umayini ashilo ukuthi uMusa uhlala afuna ukubonwa as if uperfect. Akakhulumi iqiniso eliphelele ukuthi kenzakale 1 2 3, and we might not know, maybe vela sumntana kaMusa or what. As long like uMakhumalo angakazikhulumeli leyo ndaba kithi, that's not her space to talk about indaba zakaMakhumalo. So guys, Nina, what are your thoughts on this? These are my opinions. Thank you for watching.